Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan and it's time for retro gaming. And of course, we have Anand here with us today. And so let's quickly get started. So what we are playing now is called DuckTales, and this was a DOS-based game. So let's see how this goes. No history because I don't remember playing this too much. La, la, la. How do you move? How do you proceed? Hello? 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 How do you even play this game? I don't think I've played this game. What the hell is this? I don't remember this game at all. Machu Picchu? I don't think we should even include this game. Whoa! Whoa!
G-Force? What G-Force?
Oh fuck, what was that? What is going on? प्लेन है कि मजाक हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
Friendly लग नहीं रही अभी ये.
Couldn't he float? Didn't he have a floater on?
Duck था.
Isn't he a duck? Oh wow, graphics bro. Oh no, the Samp has caught me.
अरे जान गया.
That frame rate bro.
ये पोड़ू गया.
So again, you guys get the idea. That was a fun game. I don't remember playing it too much, but I guess I played it a little bit. So go check it out if you haven't already played DuckTales on DOS. The next game we're going to play is Ice Climber. Again, a very, very interesting game and something that I have played quite a lot. So let me quickly find it. So again, another game that I've really played a lot, which clearly shows that I've played a lot of games. But like this 8-bit music is so cool, and I think that newer game developers should also start using a little bit of 8-bit. Somebody should make a nice 8-bit game. So the concept is that you have to get to the top and get the brinjal for some reason. Because apparently brinjals are the thing right now. So while you're trying to go up, these animals are trying to push you down or keep you down. So like they'll keep rebuilding the track with ice. And so I think this ice you cannot break because it's hardened or something. But if you get to this part, it's like the bonus stage or something. Yeah. So you have to get all of these guys. And you only get like 40 seconds to do it.
No bonus.
Why I got 3? Okay, so that's not bonus. Oh, I have to get to the top to get full bonus. Wow. No! I got frozen. Not like the Disney movie. Apparently, सब्जियों की बहुत कमी है. No. Also, if you go up now, so then that thing becomes like a falling zone. You can't come back down. Anyway, go check out this game. It's definitely one of the coolest games to play from that era. So the next game we are playing is called Donkey Kong Jr. Fun fact, Mario was supposed to be a villain, and they featured Mario in the Donkey Kong series as the villain, whereas Donkey Kong and Donkey Kong Jr. were the heroes. And later on, Mario became a main character and one of the oldest heroes for Nintendo. So Donkey Kong Jr. introduced Mario. If you can see on the top, Mario is the one who's caged Donkey Kong. And the idea of this game was that Mario is the villain. But they later changed that and to their advantage because clearly Mario has become more popular than Donkey Kong. So the concept of this is that I have to get to the senior Donkey Kong, and I can climb up these vines either using both my hands or just using one hand, and I have to avoid those guys. Okay, but I know I can do this at least first level, so let me quickly show you how that happens. So you climb up and then you use both hands, go up, and then when this guy is coming down, you switch to one hand, and then you can jump. You go down and jump and jump, and then come here, climb up, use both hands, and then just move to the side, climb up, and then you are more or less set. So these guys have to like once you get to that, you've basically reached your goal, and then it keeps getting more and more difficult, but it's definitely a fun game. What is that? Bird poop. Well, you get the idea. So that was Donkey Kong Jr. Definitely go check it out. If you like Mario, this is something that you will like because this is the origins of Mario. So again, this next game is called Popeye, and this game will remind you of the original Popeye cartoons, and it's a really fun game to play as well. So let's quickly get started with this. So the concept is that Olive Oil will keep throwing hearts, and you have to collect all of them without Brutus getting to you, and you have to avoid him as much as you can. And you can also like punch and throw things at him, which I've clearly missed, but I was just trying to show you guys. And then you have to capture the hearts before they fall into water. And if you're getting overwhelmed by Brutus, you can also get spinach and hit him. And like spinach is here, for example. And I can go punch him, and then he falls into the water. It gives me enough time to grab things, but I can't jump, so. And then he starts at the bottom, so you get a little bit of time. Again, we used to have a lot of fun playing these games. The AI was just slow in this game. So like by the time he gets up now, I think I would have. And that completes it. So that's the concept of the game, and it gets more and more difficult as you proceed. So that was Popeye, the Sailor Man. The next game is also a classic. Again, played on arcades in India. 1 rupee for one game. But this is probably one of the most iconic racing games of the country, where you're this red car and you're supposed to. Did I even start? I didn't. So you have this red car that you have to finish the race without crashing into anyone. Crashing. I would not like to be crashing. What was the accelerate? Ding 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 ding. Fuel. I hate the blue cars. He's already moved. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, honestly, if you drive in India, this is not very difficult. And this car will always try to crash into you. It's like a typical red Ferrari driver.
रेड हमारी भी है।
हाँ, हम भी तो Ferrari driver हैं। हम भी तो वैसे ही चला रहे हैं। Oh, Superman, distraction. Ooh. So yeah, usually people don't press the brake, but I used to use the brake and always finish this game. So that's the way to basically finish this game, is to press the brake. But that is Road Racer, and if you haven't played it, you should definitely go check it out. Let's move on, boys. So the next game we are playing is called Baseball, and again, from that era, I've played this quite a lot. And whether you're batting or throwing the ball or pitching, you'll really enjoy this game. So let's get started. My team letter is going to be Y. Why am I in this team? So let's put the audio on. So I'm batting clearly. Strike one! Oh, also you can move your character, yeah. So I can move my character down. And run boy, run. Okay, safe. And then you can make that other guy run before the pitch also gets thrown. Oh, he's out. This guy's also out. So now I think we are going to be pitching. No. Only 2 outs. Oh, that's a home run. I think. No. But it might reach to the end. How do I make him run? Run, boy. No, Wapis! Oh!
Wasted.
Why was this team even formed? Strike, boy. But throwing a fastball also means that that guy can hit it really far. Catch it. He's out. Oi. Useless characters. Oh, wrong side. उसको देना है. वो क्यों मार रहा है? पागल है क्या? अरे Arey, stop! So if you played baseball in real life, you will understand, or if you follow or understand the game, you will understand this game. It's quite easy and it's really fun to play for the time period and the graphics and what all you can do with the game. It's quite cool. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat, and see you guys in the next one.